Hi there! Are you scrolling through Pinterest and seeing all those dreamy setups, wondering how you can get that aesthetic look at home? Don't worry, I'm here to help make it easy and affordable to bring those vibes right into your space. Let's start breaking it down. Let's go ahead and scroll through Pinterest real quick and find a photo that we can use as an inspiration. Let's start with this cozy, autumn-inspired setup that I found. It's got all those warm, earthy colors, and I love how the whole look just feels inviting and comfortable. Let's go through each item in the photo and find out where you can get them for yourself. First, let's look at the fall leaves draped above the fireplace. Usually, when I'm shopping online, I look for items with lots of reviews and photos so I know exactly what I'm getting. Here's one from Amazon that caught my eye. It's a pack of 300 individual leaves in nice autumn shades, perfect for this setup. The price is $7.99, which isn't bad at all. Plus, the variety of 6 colors will add some nice depth to the decor. But let's check out some other platforms to see if we can find a better deal. Over on Shein, I sorted by most popular, but a few ads came up, so I had to scroll a little bit to find what we need. Here's one for $4.37, and they even offer a version with lights for $5.20. This one is a garland style, so the leaves already are attached to each other, which makes it a little bit easier to hang. There's only one customer photo though, and it looks pretty different from the product images, so this is why checking reviews is very important. There's another option on Shein that's closer to the Amazon style with 200 individual leaves for $1.22 or 200 pieces for $2.98. Honestly, I'm leaning towards the Amazon version for the look and quality, but this could be a very good budget alternative. Next up, those little pumpkin decorations. TEMU has a couple of options here, so let's take a look. There's a 7-piece set for $6.99 and another for $11.28. They both have 2 colors, but since we only need the orange and yellow ones, that works perfectly. One downside, the reviews don't show the count for the cheaper set, but they both look nice. I'd probably go with the $6.99 set. They're basically the same, so saving a few dollars is a win. They're a bit smaller than I'd ideally want, but they'll definitely add a nice touch to the theme. Let's go ahead and check out the blankets. For this, I hopped over to AliExpress and searched for the search term checkered blankets. I sorted by most orders, and the first one has some great photos and solid reviews. It really has that fuzzy, inviting look that we're going for, and the customer photos shows it holds up really well. There's another style, a geometric bohemian option. That has that cozy texture but fewer reviews. It's a bit of a risk though, but it looks perfect for the setup. So there you have it. These are just a few examples of how helpful online shopping can be when you're trying to recreate those aesthetic looks we see everywhere. The key takeaway is to always check the reviews and look at customer photos. That way you'll know exactly how items look like in real life setups. For today's inspiration, I'd personally go with the autumn leaves from Amazon, the $6.99 pumpkin set from TEMU, and maybe scroll a little bit more to find the perfect blanket on AliExpress or maybe on different platforms as well. I'd also look for something matching like the pillowcases and maybe get the wreath to tie everything together above the fireplace. With some browsing and careful review checking, you can bring those Pinterest vibes home without overspending. I had a lot of fun putting this together, and I hope you enjoyed it too. If you're looking to get discounted products, please head to our website snagshout.com. You can earn rebates while shopping for discounted items. We also have a special collection up right now for a limited time. Thank you and happy snagging! Bye!